little pale one with a dark stripe on his back's really frisky.
Baboons causing a ruckus on the top of that tree.
Yeah. And a big baboon male can be a really dangerous thing for a lion cub.
Really?
Yeah.
They'll come over and mess with them?
No, they'll take them out. If mom's not close by, definitely one of the animals that's a very big threat. Baboons, mammals with the largest canines. It's got larger teeth than the female lion.
I can see that baboon at the top of the tree.
Mm.
Yeah, it just jumped from one
I
tree to
did
the
see
other.
it jump.
That's not the one calling though.
He's calling Mel and the other trooper. Got him in a death grip there on his neck. So that instinct to hunt and everything is there. It's something they get born with. What they need to learn is how to kill. That's what cats struggle with. Or not struggle with, but that's the part that's learned behavior. Stalking and hunting comes naturally. That was the youngster getting disciplined.
Yeah, Mom doesn't seem to be moving over there.
No, when she's around, baboon's not an issue.